Hi, we're Jan and Amber. We've just finished university and now we're setting off to travel around Southeast Asia. We've just arrived in Thailand for the next couple of weeks, starting today in Bangkok. This is how our first day went. We're in the centre of Siam.
Well, we're in Siam and we were going to go to, where are we going now?
We're supposed to go to Wat Pathum, but we're here too early because we're jet lagged. So we're going to go explore around the area before it opens.
Yeah, there's a huge shopping centre over there, so I think we're going to go in there and see what it's like.
So it was actually even too early to go into any of the malls or anything. So we're just walking around before we go to Wat Pathum this morning. So yeah, we're just walking around. Wat Pathum. I've got a lot of the morning left, so we're going to go to MBK Centre and get some food.
We thought we'd walk there if it's not too far, hopefully.
So we're going to go get some food from MBK. Once again, we're too early and MBK doesn't actually open till 10.
I'm so glad we got up early though.
Yeah, we're just going to have a sit down and a drink and wait for MBK to open. It seems to be that things don't open as early as we think. So we've got ourselves a little snack. That's rice balls, some assorted rice balls for 76 baht, and then a salmon teriyaki onigiri for 40 baht. So that is our little snack. Kind of breakfast thing we're having to keep us going.
I think it might be a dessert, but it's good.
So didn't film that much when we were actually in MBK. It was really busy, just like an indoor market.
It was really fun though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really fun. We're going about. We had some lunch as well. Sat down, had some lunch. I had a really nice katsu chicken. Although Amber's was a bit of a disaster. The chicken was like undercooked, so she didn't eat that. So a little bit disappointing. So this evening we're going to go over to Asiatique, the riverfront. It's like a night market. There'll be food and stalls and shops and things. So we're going to head there this evening and explore that. Is going in the wrong direction.
Yeah.
So we are no longer going to Riverside Asiatique night market. We're now going to Icon Siam. That place there.
We're not sure what it is. but more exciting
Yeah,
this way, isn't it?
we'll find out what we're going to. We got on the wrong boat. Whoops.
I feel like today's just literally been slightly mistimed with everything, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's not exactly gone according to plan all of today. Oh well, we move. Boat, but we have got ourselves a passion fruit sugarcane juice.
It's really good,
which
actually,
is
isn't it? It's
really good. And then somehow stumbled upon a free water and light show. So that's exciting. So that was a pleasant surprise, but we are now going to attempt to go to the place we actually wanted to and try and get the boat back and go to Riverside, Asiatique. So let's see if we can attempt to. Let's see if we can actually find the right boat. Second time lucky, we've actually managed to get to the right place, to Asiatique.
It looks so good.
It looks awesome. So we actually managed to get there this time. So we have got a chicken pad thai and a load of gyozas that look really good for tea. So that looks really good.
Excited.